Generative Artificial Intelligence, that is Gen AI, is primarily focused on creating real business value and not charity. Gen AI is poised to become a significant revenue source across various industries due to its ability to create content, optimize processes, and enhance decision making. Welcome to VAR India News Hour. Gen AI can generate scripts, music, and visual art, reducing production time and costs while increasing creativity and output. AI can create personalized content such as ad copy, social media posts, and email campaigns, improving engagement and conversion rates. AI powered chatbots can handle customer inquiries efficiently, providing 24/7 support and freeing human agents to focus on complex issues. Gen AI can analyze customer data to provide personalized recommendations and solutions, enhancing customer satisfaction and loyalty. Gen AI can accelerate drug discovery and development by simulating molecular interactions and predicting outcomes. AI can assist in diagnosing diseases and recommending treatments based on patient data, improving accuracy and efficiency. Gen AI can analyze market data and execute trades at high speeds, maximizing profits and reducing risks. AI can identify patterns and anomalies in financial transactions, helping to detect and prevent fraud more effectively. Gen AI can predict equipment failures and schedule maintenance, reducing downtime and increasing efficiency. AI can optimize supply chain operations by predicting demand, managing inventory, and improving logistics. It can create personalized learning plans and materials for students, catering to their individual needs and learning styles. AI can grade assignments and provide feedback, saving time for educators and providing timely insights for students. Gen AI can analyze customer preferences and behaviors to provide personalized product recommendations, boosting sales and customer satisfaction. AI can optimize inventory levels by predicting demand and automating reordering processes. While Gen AI offers significant benefits, it's important to use it ethically and responsibly. Considerations like data privacy, bias in algorithms, and potential job displacement need to be addressed. Gen AI is set to revolutionize various industries by automating complex tasks, creating personalized experiences, and optimizing operations. Its ability to generate significant revenue makes it a critical investment for businesses looking to stay competitive and innovative in the digital age. Let's look into today's headlines. MeitY and Commerce push for easier visa norms for Chinese technicians. Two union ministries, Electronics and Information Technology and Commerce and Industry, are pushing for easier visa norms for entry of Chinese technicians. This comes after the domestic industry raised concerns that export orders were not being fulfilled due to delays in grant of visas. The department, being aware of the concerns raised by the industry, are therefore pushing for limited entry of Chinese technicians to resolve the issue. YouTube testing AI-powered comment sorting feature for Shorts. YouTube has been experimenting with an AI-powered functionality that automatically sorts YouTube Shorts user comments and groups them into topics. The new feature can help users understand and participate in conversations on YouTube and will help to organize large comment sections on English language shorts into easily digestible themes. Elon Musk hints at partnership with Samsung after slamming Apple and OpenAI partnership. Elon Musk has hinted at a potential partnership with Samsung to create an X phone while criticizing Apple's integration of OpenAI's ChatGPT into its devices. Speculations have been rife about an X phone manufactured by Samsung with features optimized for the X app and Starlink integration. Despite co-founding the company, Musk has been a vocal critic of OpenAI and has expressed concerns about Apple's ability to safeguard user data shared with OpenAI. World's first living computer created out of human brains. Swedish scientists have created the world's first living computer that is made out of human brain tissues. Composed of 16 organoids or clumps of brain cells that were grown in a lab, it sends information between each other. They work much like a traditional computer chip. The living machine uses less energy because living neurons can use over 1 million times less energy than the current digital processors currently used. Chandrababu Naidu takes the oath as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh. In the presence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah, other senior BJP and NDA leaders and actors K. Chiranjeevi and Rajnikant, Governor S. Abdul Nazir administered the oath to Chandrababu Naidu. Along with Chandrababu Naidu, 24 cabinet ministers, including Janasena Chief K. Pavan Kalyan and N. Lokesh, General Secretary of TDP and son of Chandrababu Naidu, were also administered oath by the governor. The NDA allies, Janasena and BJP secured 3 and 1 berths, respectively, in the cabinet. Out of 24 ministers, 17 are first timers. That's all for now. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to VAR India magazine. You can download the VAR India app from Google Play Store and Apple App Store for more news and updates. Stay tuned. Thank you.